Hello students, hope you have completed exercise 2B, which is related to multiplication of algebraic expression. Now we are going to discuss division of algebraic expressions. So there are certain rules related to it. So first rule is that if I am saying A is divided by B, if I am saying A division by B, we can write it as A by B. This is the one of the way we can write, or we can write it as A into 1 by B. A into 1 by B means A is multiplied to 1 by B. So that is also A divided by B only. I am saying in different way, but that is same thing only. A multiplication of A into 1 by B. So this is first rule, that A division by B is A into 1 by B or A by B. Second thing is that if I am saying x to power m divided by x to power n, so this is, as you are able to see, that power exponent power here is m and power here is n, and the base is x in both the cases. So we can write it as x to power m minus n. M will be subtracted, n will be subtracted from m. So it will be x to power m minus n. One example, if I am giving 2 to power 5 divided by 2 to power 2. So what we can write it as 2 to power 5. M here is 5 and n here is 2. 5 minus 2 is 2 to power 3. Or the other way also we can think it, that 2 to power 5 divided by 2 to power 2. This way also we can write. Or we can write 2 to power 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 square is 2 into 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So this is also 2 to power 3. So this way also we can write. Or now the third rule is, when a positive number is divided by positive number, I am saying positive divided by positive, the number sign will remain positive only. This is first rule, that when a positive number is divided by positive number, it will remain positive. If I am saying negative number divided by negative numbers, means in the first case also both numerator and denominator is having same sign. Again, if both numerator and denominator is having same sign, so it will become minus, minus will be cancelled and it will become plus. So other way also we can understand that if both numerator and denominator are having same sign, both are having same sign here, plus plus, so it will remain plus, or minus minus, so it will remain plus. If unlike signs are there, then it will become minus. Means if I am saying numerator is having plus and denominator is having minus, so in this case it will remain minus. That's why I told unlike sign, means numerator is having plus and denominator is having minus, or minus divided by plus, so it will remain also minus 1. So this is also, these are also the rules related to the division. Okay, in question number we will be doing exercise 2C. So we will be seeing first of all question number 1 bit 1. So 1 bit 1 will be seeing, in this question what is given, divide 8x by 4. By means division sign. In the previous case we used to keep multiplication sign because multiply was given. Here divide is given, divide by 4. So 8x by 4 is basically 8x divided by 4. So it will be 4 2, so 2x. Numeric values will be cancelled by numeric values. So this is 1 bit 1. Now 1 bit 2, 12m by 2, minus 12m by 2, minus 12m divided by 2. So it is basically minus 12m divided by 2. So it is coming out to be, again numeric values will be cancelled and we are getting minus 6m. Now 1 bit 4. 1 bit 4 it is given minus 16px. minus 16px divided by minus 8. So we are getting minus 16px and divided by minus 8. Minus minus will be getting cancelled. As we know that we have discussed in the rules also that if numerator and denominator will be having, both will be having negative sign, so it will be plus only. So you can directly write plus, or 8 2s are, you can cancel also 8 2s are, and it is getting, we are getting 2px. So this is 1 bit 4. Okay. Question number 2, bit 2. Bit 2 is minus 15 pq by 3q. So we can write it as minus 15 pq divided by 3q. Here we are getting numeric value as well as variables also. So we can cancel this 3 5s, and q will also be cancelled. And as you are able to see, in numerator it is minus sign is there, and in denominator plus sign is there. So it will remain minus only. 5p. What is left here? Minus 5p. Now 2 bit 7. 2 bit 7, it is given minus 63 x cube y5 z8 by, means division sign, then 9x cube y square z. So we can write it as minus 63 x cube y5 z8 divided by 9x cube y square z. So we can get 9 into 7 times, then x cube and x cube will be getting cancelled. Now we have studied about the rule also, rule of the exponent, that y to power 5 and y to power 2. So we'll be getting from here minus 7 y to power 5 minus 2. Or you can write y into y into y into y into y 5 times, and in the denominator you can write y into y. 2y will be getting cancelled. So 3y will be remaining, and z 8 minus z to power 1. Z is given, means z to power 1 is z. So it will become 8 minus 1. So we are getting minus 7 y cube z7. So we are getting this as an answer of 2 bit 7. So, okay. So now we are going to solve 3 bit 3. We are going to solve 3 bit 3. And 3 bit 3, it is given minus 40 AB plus 15 AC divided by minus 5A. It is given. So we'll be writing here minus 40 AB plus 15 AC divided by minus 5A. So again we can write it as minus 40 AB by minus 5A plus 15 AC divided by minus 5A. So here we can minus 5 into 8, and this A and A will be cancelled. So what is left here? Minus 8, minus minus will also be cancelled. So here left is 8B, and here 5 3s are, and then A and A is getting cancelled. So what is left here? Minus 3C. So the answer is 8B minus 3C. Okay. So now we'll be solving question number 3 bit 4. So 3 bit 4, it is given 20x5 y4 z cube minus 10 x4 y cube z square divided by means divided by, I am writing here 5xy z. So again we can write it as 20x5 y4 z cube minus 10x4 y cube z square. Therefore, we'll be again dividing it by 5xyz. Now we'll be separating it. 20x5 y4 z cube divided by 5xyz, again minus 10 x4 y cube z square divided by 5xy z. So again we can cancel 5 4s are here, 5 2s are xyz. Here we will be getting x to power 4, x to power 5 minus 1, x to power 1, and y to power 1 is also there, 4 minus 1. And again from here z to power 3 minus 1. And again from here we can write it as minus 2, x to power 4 minus 1, y to power 3 minus 1, and z to power 2 minus 1, because x to power 1, y to power 1, z to power 1 is given. So we can write it as 4x4 y cube z square minus 2 x cube y square z. So this is question number 3 bit 4. Okay. Now we'll be moving to question number 4 bit 1. So in the question it is given divide and then verify your answer. Verify your answer means we'll be checking. As you know, we used to have learnt in lower standard that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that way we'll be checking the answer, that whether it is correct or not. The quotient or the dividend is coming equal to divisor plus quotient into quotient plus remainder or not. We'll be checking. So first of all we'll be finding the quotient. This is known as dividend and divisor. Divisor is a minus 6. We'll be writing here a minus 6. This is 4 bit 1. A minus 6 I am writing here, and then a square minus 15a plus 54. This I am writing. Now how to solve this? Here the term is a square. You have to think that you have to make here a square, this term as a square, so that a square first term will be getting cancelled. That is the only requirement. So how we can make a as a square? If you will be multiplying a with a, so it will become a square. So I am multiplying a. This a will be multiplied to both the terms. What I told, that a square you have to make, means if the first motive of us is to cancel a square. So how will be cancelling? If you will be multiplying a with a, so it will be becoming a square. So a into a is a square. Now this a will be multiplied to minus 6 also. So minus 6a. Now the thing will be changing. This minus sign will become plus, and this plus sign will become minus. You have to change the sign automatically. So this term is getting cancelled. And minus 15 plus 6a. Minus 15 plus 6a is minus 15 minus, because sign of 15 is minus. So it will become minus 9a. 15 minus 6 is 9. So I will be writing here minus 9a plus 54. Again, now we have to make minus 9a. What is given to us? A. How we can make it minus 9a? Because a is given. We have to make 9. We have to multiply it with 9. But here it also minus 9. Minus is also given. So we will be multiplying with minus 9. If I will be multiplying with minus 9, so it will become exactly equal to minus 9a. Only requirement is that this will be cancelled. If this term is also getting cancelled, that is also our benefit. But our requirement is that the term which I wanted to cancel is this term. If this is also cancelling, that is our benefit. So if I am multiplying minus 9 with 9a, so it will become minus 9a, and this is minus 9 and this is minus plus 54. Minus 9 into minus 6 is plus 54. So we are getting this term will be changing sign, and it will become plus, and this will become minus. So this is getting cancelled, this is also getting cancelled. So remainder is 0. Now we'll be checking. As we know that checking means this is divisor, this is dividend, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. So we know the formula that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor we know is what is given to us, a minus 6. A minus 6 is divisor, and quotient is a minus 9. So from here remainder is 0. So we are getting, as we know, the product multiplication of these two terms, polynomials. So a will be multiplied with a minus 9, and minus 6 will be multiplied to a minus 9 again. So we will be getting a square, a into minus 9 is minus 9a, minus 6 into a is minus 6a, and this is minus 6 into minus 9 is plus 54. A square minus 15a, minus minus will become plus, but the sign will remain minus, and here we are getting plus 54. So this is a square minus 15a plus 54, which is coming equal to our dividend. Means we have done it correctly. So this is known as checking. The dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is question number 4 bit 1. Okay. So 4 bit 6. We'll be solving 4 bit 6. So in this question it is given 6x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 2. We have to divide it by 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 is divisor. So 3x plus 2 is divisor, and here will be dividing dividend is 6x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 2. Now we have to cancel, as I told in the previous question, that we have to cancel the first term. The main requirement is to cancel the first term. What is given to us? X. You have to make x cube. Means will be multiplied with x square, then it will become x cube. But here it is 6 also. Here it is given 3. What will be multiplying with 3? So it will become 6. 2. So I will be multiplying here 2x square. If I will be multiplying with 2x square, so it will become 6x cube. Is it clear? The requirement is to make 6x cube. Here it is given x. So we are multiplying it with x square. So it become x cube. And the other requirement is 6 also you have to make. 3 into 2 is becoming 6. That's why I am multiplying with 2x square. Now this will be multiplied to both the terms. So it will become 6x cube. And this is becoming 2 into 2 is 4x square. This term will be getting plus is getting minus, and this plus is also getting minus. So this term is getting cancelled. Now this term is remaining 3x square minus x. Now what is the requirement? We have to make 3x square. What is given to us? 3x. We have to see from here only. So this is 3x. If I be multiplying with x, so it will become 3x into x is 3x square. So I will be adding just plus x. So because here it is not given minus x, 3x square. If it was given minus 3x square, I should have multiplied with 3x with minus x. So 3x into x is 3x square, and then 2 into x is 2x. So what we are getting? This term sign will be also changing, as I told earlier, and this is plus will become minus. So this is getting cancelled. Minus minus will become plus, minus 3x minus 2. So what is given to us? Here it is given minus 3x and here it is given 3x. If I will, what will become minus 3x? By what multiplication it will become, what number will be multiplying so that it become minus 3x? If I will be multiplying with minus 1, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3x, and minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, because this number is multiplied with both the terms. This was also multiplied with both the terms, so we are getting 2 terms. So from here we are getting minus 2. So both the terms are getting cancelled. This will become plus, become also plus. So this is getting cancelled and it is becoming 0. So remainder is coming out to be 0. Now we have to again prove that, check that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we'll be checking dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor is given to us as 3x plus 2 and quotient is coming 2x square plus x minus 1. Remainder is 0. So again we'll be multiplying 3x with whole 3 terms. 3x into 2x square plus x minus 1 plus 2 into 2x square plus x minus 1. So we are getting 3x. It is coming out to be 6x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 4x square. 2 into 2 is 4x square and 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So we will be seeing that 6x cube, this is coming out to 6x cube. 3x square plus 4x square is 7x square. And this is minus 3 and plus 2 is minus x. Because 3 minus 2 and minus sign is 3. So here it will be remaining minus 2. So it is exactly coming equal to dividend. So we have successfully checked that it is equal to dividend. So 6x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 2. So we have completed up to question number 4 bit 6, or we can say 4 bit 7. So you can try up to question number 5 also you can try, and hope you should have understood this, how to do this. So you can try this exercise and we'll be discussing the remaining part 5, 6, 7 in the next class. And if you are still having doubt, so you can ask us in our WhatsApp group or you can message us so we can clarify your doubt. Okay, thank you.